Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Painty, 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 painty. Flip. Painty, 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 painty. And yes, that is its kid. The trick is to make it watch so it knows what happens if it's bad. 1 onion, roughly chopped. Got to be very careful with the mushrooms. Okay. You might wonder why there's so many mushrooms, and there's a very good reason for that. Onions. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Mushrooms in. You can see the sins of the mushrooms starting to come out, yeah? Milk from your friend's local dairy. Butter that you churned yourself. Whisker. Whiskey. Whisk. Don't get them confused. Now that this is finished doing dry December, throw in some whiskey. Remember to put the top back on so the spirits don't escape. I couldn't decide between prosciutto and parma ham, so we're doing both. Painty, painty, painty. Painty, painty, painty. Painty, 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 painty. Bacon, fillet. Chopped bacon, chopped fillet. Beef stock.